Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you looking to upgrade your workstation or laptop with top-of-line memory modules? Look no further. We have the perfect solution for you: the Samsung Workstation Memory DDR3 DDR3L server Memoria ECC RAM with lightning-fast speeds of 1333 MHz, 1600 MHz, and 1866 MHz. These RAM modules will take your computing experience to the next level. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or a professional on the go, these memory modules will ensure seamless multitasking and smooth performance. But that's not all. The Samsung RAM laptop DDR3L 8GB and 4GB SATA memory are perfect for enhancing the performance of your laptop. With options for 1333 MHz, 1600 MHz, and 1866 MHz frequencies, and a low voltage of 135V, you can expect improved speed and efficiency in every task you undertake. And if that's not enough, we also have the Samsung RAM DDR5 desktop memory. With capacities of 8GB, 16GB, and 32GB at an unbelievable frequency of 5600 MHz, these memory modules are perfect for high-performance desktop computers. Say goodbye to lag and hello to smooth, uninterrupted computing. But that's not all. Our IIIF 150AIR1 ultra-rugged smartphone is designed for those who dare to adventure. With a powerful Helio G99 processor, huge 7000 mAh battery, and a 64MP triple camera, this smartphone is the ultimate companion for all your outdoor expeditions. Plus, with waterproof, dustproof, and splashproof features, you can take this smartphone anywhere without worrying about damage. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your workstation, laptop, or smartphone with Samsung's top-notch memory modules and AIR1 ultra-rugged smartphone. Click the link in the description to get your hands on these incredible products now and take your computing experience to new heights. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your tech setup. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews and product announcements. Thank you for watching.